Alright. I don't want to get this video too long. You just keep shutting this camera off because the battery is really low. Now we're back. Line up the hole first. Line up the steel line first to the hole, and then spin the nut. It's snug now. It's snug. This is the best to use this open box wrench, and then after that the pipe wrench right after. Just make it snug. Alright, it's pretty snug, that thread now, so we're gonna use this pipe wrench. This is the best way to tighten this fittings, any fittings. $14 there you go. Spin it. There you go. Spin it. There you go. Spin it. Make sure you use this wrench, guys, because you don't want to cross thread or round off the nut. I'm not worried about spinning this wrench around the nut, because I know that this is a really good tight fit. Last one here. Yeah, there you go. Last spin. Make sure it's snug. Alright, I'm good with that. And the only way to test if it doesn't leak is to put fluid and start her up. So let's bring you guys up on the top here. Okay, you guys up on the top here now. This is like pretty much like putting the icing on a cake. It's the best part. It's just putting this hose back in there, bolt it down. That's it. And then don't forget the bracket. There's a bracket right here that bolts to the back of the block so that it won't move or it won't vibrate this hose. So that's, and yeah, that's it. Don't forget to put the O-ring in here. I have to go get it and put it on there. Alright, let's put this O-ring back in there. With the O-ring, don't forget, put it in there. Line her up. Lube up the O-ring with oil. Line her up. Wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. Yeah, that's good. Wiggle the holes while you're spinning it. And then this is the bracket that I'm talking about, guys. Don't forget to install this. Okay, the correct way to put this in here is this way. Goes like this. Put the rubber band on. Oh no, I'm gonna move the camera. Right, sorry about there's no light back there. My flashlight just died on me. So I don't know if you can see. Put the rubber in first, like that. It's gonna slid on you when you put this in, so make sure you have to hold it tight. And get the bolt ready. Okay, what the hell's the bolt? Alright, let's put this bracket in here. Okay. Make sure put the rubber in first, and then put the steel bracket around the rubber. Just like that. Make sure the rubber goes sit properly in there. Just like that. And then hold it down so they won't slide down the bottom. And then put the bolts into the hole and install the bolts to the block. That's it. It's gonna be a tight fit here, so make sure the bolts line up good. Hold the hose down with your left hand while you're spinning the bolt with your right hand. Trying to wiggle the hose so that while you're spinning the bolt. I think that's pretty good. Snug in there. And tied it down with a 10mm socket. So this one tightened down, snug, and on this one right here I'm gonna change the reservoir. The old one's right on that red chair on top. I'm gonna change this, and then that's it. Fill her up, bleed the air out, and it's done. Thanks for watching.